says it's windy outside. Let's go see. I've got my shoulder up against the door. I'd say it's windy outside. Is it raining? Holy macaroni! Wow, it's so. Oh, it's what? It's raining now. It's raining. It's raining outside. My feet are getting wet. You guys can probably see that now. Maybe. Every once in a while, you'll see white caps coming in. You see them? You see them? There's a white cap right there. Oh, I'm going inside. Just going inside. Let me inside. Let me inside. Let me inside. Let me inside.
Yes.
I should have heard what?
The surf.
The surf? Why?
It's too early.
It's too early. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, you guys haven't seen the place. Oh. Oh my God.
These chairs are so bouncy.
Now it's bright outside, you can kind of see what's going on. And, whew, what a day. What a morning. It is so cool out here. Holy, it's windy. Horses would hate it, I'm sure of it. So, I want to show you. It is windy. I don't know, this is my neighbor. He's like, well, the neighbor, not our neighbor, but, you know, he lives over there. There's nobody in there right now. Oh my gosh, I'm going inside. It's too windy. But it's not so bad over here. There we go, that's better. Whew. But the seagulls, oh my gosh, the seagulls are having a blast. Whew. There's our other neighbor. And again, it's very windy over here. That's been like spinning. It's crazy. All right, well, hope you guys have a good morning. I'm going in and get some coffee. So husband wanted me to go outside because the wind is not so bad. The temperature is just kind of cold now. The wind is finally starting to kind of calm down a bit, so it's not so awful. So I figured I'd venture outside and see what this thing is. Oops, wrong way. In the water. There's still a big breeze every once in a while. So let's go check to see what this thing is in the water. It's pretty slippery. Well, it's the same thing as it was out there yesterday. Whew, today's kind of breezy. No fishing today. He wanted to know what this was. He thought it was a trash can lid, but it looks like a rock. It looks like tide's out, and that like sea kelp or something like that. Yeah, I think tide's out. really pretty. Ooh, it's a little chilly. Alright, I'm going back in. A little chilly, a little too chilly. No, it's pretty. Alright. I'm going back in. Our amusement for the day. Watching this chair. Da-dee-da-dee-da. What is she doing? She's trying to wash the windows to see if we get a better view outside. I think the windows are just yucky. Well, it helps a little bit. She doesn't have a coat. She's probably freezing. Where's your coat?
In point 1 of a
Where are we going?
time left.
Do you remember the name of the place where we're going?
You better not put
What's-
that in.
What's the name of the thing?
Charlotte Plumber.
Charlotte's Plumber.
Something like
There's a restaurant called Charlotte's Plumber.
In Fulton.
Turn left.
That's where we're going. Watch out for the people over here. They go 90 miles an hour, she said. That's the bridge. It's a bridge.
It's 60
In
here
certain areas.
Turn left.
when you get to the four-way stop sign.
It's 70.
It's 70. And when you take the road going into Rockford, it's 75.
That's what she says.
Now watch.
What? Ah!
Hey!
It drives. No, it was already on the side of the road.
See how much? Oh no, it's because I haven't turned this on. So let's turn on
What are you turning on?
adaptive cruise control. Let's see. Let's set it for. Let's take it a little bit. 2, 3. That puts us at. Okay, now let's turn on lane assist. Let's turn on.
Not on the bridge.
Don't mess with Texans. Shit. Put your hands on that wheel. I'm old-fashioned.
I believe you.
It's driving all by itself.
All by itself. Now here in a second. And
Hands on steering wheel.
when I don't do anything, and then I have to hit the gas, turn everything back on.
Wind spray.
Yeah.
Sea spray. Which is why our windows are yucky.
your destination.
There's a chicken. It's a rooster, but that's okay. There's our neighbor. And there's our place. We're home. Well, our weather chair is doing the same thing, letting us know it's very windy, and the conditions are still the same as from yesterday. Cold and windy. Really cold and windy. Oh well. We'll find something to do today, I'm sure.
I'm scared to death. I hate bridges.
It's freaking huge.
It's Mom's bait shop.
You have reached your destination.
Fleming's bait stand. Flags. More bait. Captain's Lady bait.
Did you happen to notice if they were open?
The Maritime?
It's a big sign outside. Flag that says open.
Yesterday, or
These might be parking spots for the pier.